Hey everyone, welcome back to Evergreen Health Tips. Today we're diving into a topic that might surprise you. It's something many of us eat regularly, thinking it's the perfect start to our day. Oatmeal is often considered a healthy breakfast option, but there are some common mistakes that can make it less beneficial and even harmful. You might be adding ingredients that turn this nutritious meal into a sugar-laden dessert. You see it all over social media, plastered across fitness magazines. Oatmeal is touted as the breakfast of champions. Influencers and fitness gurus rave about its benefits, but they often leave out crucial details. But what they don't tell you is that there's a right way and a wrong way to enjoy this breakfast staple. Adding the wrong toppings or using the wrong preparation methods can negate its health benefits. Let's break down these common oatmeal mistakes, and I'll show you how to make your morning bowl the healthiest it can be. From choosing the right type of oats to selecting the best toppings, we'll cover it all. So, grab a spoon, and let's get started on making your breakfast both delicious and nutritious. First up, let's talk about sugar. It's everywhere, from our morning coffee to our evening dessert. But how much is too much? Now, I'm not saying you need to eat your oatmeal bland, but you have to be careful about how much sugar you're adding. A little bit can go a long way, and it's easy to lose track. Those little packets of flavored oatmeal might seem convenient, but they're often loaded with sugar. In fact, some of them contain more sugar than a candy bar. Think about it. Just 2 tablespoons of sugar is equivalent to about 3 sugar cubes. And that's just for one meal. Imagine how much sugar you're consuming throughout the day. That's a lot of sugar to be having first thing in the morning. Starting your day with a sugar rush can set you up for a roller coaster of energy highs and lows. Excess sugar can spike your blood sugar levels, leading to that dreaded sugar crash later on. This crash can leave you feeling tired, irritable, and craving even more sugar. Not to mention, it can contribute to weight gain, increase your risk of type 2 diabetes, and even mess with your energy levels throughout the day. Over time, these sugar spikes and crashes can take a toll on your overall health. So, what's the solution? Opt for healthier alternatives. Fresh fruits, nuts, and seeds can add natural sweetness and crunch to your meals without the added sugar. Making small changes can have a big impact on your health. Let's talk about instant oatmeal packets. I get it. They're quick and easy, especially when you're rushing in the morning. But, and this is a big but, they often contain added sugars, preservatives, and even artificial flavors. Remember those flavored oatmeal packets we talked about? Yeah, most of them fall into this category. Instead of reaching for those processed packets, opt for plain, old-fashioned rolled oats or steel-cut oats. They're less processed, contain more fiber, and you have complete control over what you add to them. Oatmeal is a good source of carbohydrates, which give you energy, but it's relatively low in protein. And protein, my friends, is crucial for keeping you feeling full and satisfied until your next meal. Without enough protein, you might find yourself reaching for unhealthy snacks mid-morning. So, how do you pump up the protein in your oatmeal? It's simple. Add a scoop of protein powder, some nuts, or even a dollop of Greek yogurt. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Chapter 4. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to digestion, and oatmeal is already a good source of it. But you know what makes it even better? Adding more fiber-rich toppings. Think fresh or frozen fruits like berries, bananas, or apples. You can also sprinkle on some chia seeds, flax seeds, or even a handful of nuts. Not only do these toppings add flavor and texture, but they also help keep you feeling full, regulate your digestion, and can even help lower cholesterol levels. Overcooking your oatmeal is a surefire way to turn a healthy breakfast into a gluey mess. Plus, it can actually break down some of the nutrients, making them less beneficial. The key is to cook your oats according to the package directions, usually over medium heat for a few minutes. You want them to be soft and cooked through, but still have a little bit of a bite to them. Nobody wants to eat oatmeal that resembles wallpaper paste, right? Chapter 6. I know, those flavored oatmeal packets seem so tempting. But trust me, they're often a wolf in sheep's clothing. Many of them are loaded with artificial flavors, added sugars, and even unhealthy fats. Remember, we're aiming for a healthy and nutritious breakfast here. If you're craving flavor, stick to natural sources like fresh or frozen fruits, spices like cinnamon or nutmeg, or a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Chapter 7. Portion control is key. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if you're not careful about portion sizes. Oatmeal is no exception. It's easy to get carried away and end up eating a huge bowl, especially if you're adding lots of toppings. A good rule of thumb is to stick to a half cup of dry oats per serving. This will usually make about 1 to 2 cups of cooked oatmeal, depending on the type of oats you're using. You might not think of oatmeal as a salty breakfast, but some oatmeal products can be surprisingly high in sodium. This is especially true for instant oatmeal packets and flavored varieties. Too much sodium can lead to water retention, bloating, and even increase your blood pressure. Always check the nutrition label and choose oatmeal that has less than 200 milligrams of sodium per serving. Eating the same thing every day can get boring, even if it's healthy. Plus, you might miss out on important nutrients if you're not mixing things up. Don't be afraid to get creative with your oatmeal toppings. Try different combinations of fruits, nuts, seeds, and spices. You can even add a dollop of nut butter, coconut flakes, or a sprinkle of cocoa powder. Oatmeal can be a healthy and delicious breakfast option, but it shouldn't be the only thing you eat for breakfast every single day. Remember, variety is key to a balanced and nutritious diet. Try incorporating other healthy breakfast options into your routine, such as eggs, yogurt, smoothies, or whole wheat toast with avocado. This will ensure that you're getting a wider range of nutrients and keep your taste buds happy. So, there you have it, folks. We've covered some of the most common mistakes people make when preparing oatmeal. Avoid these common oatmeal mistakes to make sure you're getting the most out of your breakfast. From choosing the right type of oats to adding the perfect toppings, every step counts. Remember, oatmeal can be a nutritious and delicious part of a healthy diet, but it's all about making smart choices. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve digestion, or simply enjoy a tasty meal, oatmeal has got you covered. It's important to be mindful of what you add to your oatmeal. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup instead of processed sugars. Add fruits, nuts, and seeds for extra nutrients and flavor. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can enjoy your morning bowl of oats, knowing that you're fueling your body the right way. A well-prepared bowl of oatmeal can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Your support helps us create more content to keep you informed and healthy. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below with your favorite oatmeal recipes or any questions you might have. Let's build a community of health-conscious individuals together. Stay healthy, and see you next time. Keep experimenting with your oatmeal and enjoy the journey to a healthier you.